Yeah, well, I'll give it to them, and if they're like, the taxes, I'll just be like, okay, here, I'll just give you what I think I could sell for. So we usually give them a couple options. It's like, or usually two. Do you want the prize, or do you want me to sell the prize and then just give you the money once I sell it? And a lot of people choose the latter, but some people will take it and just sell it themselves. So for the jet, we paid like 2.5 million for it. So if if you're the random person the YouTuber picks, then you can just sell it for probably like at least 2.1, and after taxes, you have like 1.4 million. But like Twitter will be like, holy shit, guys, here's how Mr.
But so like, I imagine there's a lot of tax implications when you receive a private jet as a gift as a normal person.